A subject near and dear to my heart is preventing child abuse. This is the Every Child Matters collaboration. If you need resources to help stop the cycle of child abuse, the information is in my description box. The host of this collaboration is Design and Style with Stacy. The co-hosts are At Penny's Place, Design DIY Designs by CCW, Glamour Queen of DIY, Jazzy Green Decor Style, Debbie Bubbles, Shauna on the Spot, and Level of Style by Sandra. I hope I got everybody. If I didn't, everybody will be in my description box. So go check out my YouTube. Okay, this video is for No Child Left Behind collaboration, and I was to use blue, green, and orange, or any of those colors or a combination. I chose to use all those colors, starting with my orange tablecloth, and I used my mother's blue dishes, and then I used the black and white buffalo plaid to kind of center all the colors, to kind of bring it down so it wasn't so many colors. I used these two little bluebirds and this green truck. The green wasn't in my truck and my leaves because I used a lamb's ear garland that I put white and peach ranunculus, and in the truck I put orange roses and blue tulips, and I also did some blue votive candles. I always forget to turn the votive candles on, ladies. Why? Getting as bad as me in the crock pot and forgetting to plug the crock pot in after I do a crock pot cooking video. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. It's a pretty simple tablescape, but I think it really turned out pretty, and I really, really liked it. I hope you enjoyed it, and remember, if you're a parent and you need a break, don't feel bad to ask somebody to give you that break. I know I've been in that situation where somebody asked me, hey, could you watch my kids for a couple hours? I just need a break. And you know my answer, of course I will. Because, you know, sometimes it just takes more than just the parents. I mean, we all are a community to raise these wonderful children. And we definitely don't want anything to happen to them. Love you guys. Please subscribe and join the family if you haven't. You know, I always come up with creative ideas in my tablescapes and in my videos. And you never know what I'm going to come up with next.